Manufacturers, you make and sell a product, which means that you have a wealth of video content sitting right in front of you, most of which you may not have considered yet. The best thing about what I'm about to tell you in this video is that it won't just benefit your marketing department, it will also benefit your customer services and your overall general brand loyalty. Let's get stuck in. So, you've made your product, you have a buyer, you send it out to them, and that's it. Well, I don't think it should be. I think you've got a wonderful opportunity here to re engage with your buyer at this point. You can do this through video. So perhaps when you send the product out to them, it needs assembling or it needs servicing at regular intervals. Well, you could create a video that shows your customer how to do that. With an assembly video, for example, as the name suggests, you can show them how to assemble the product. So imagine they get the product from you and they're sort of wondering how to do it. They go on, they find this great video, and you've provided them with a brilliant set of instructions of how to assemble the thing, showing them the details, how it all goes together, answering those niggly questions that we all get when we're trying to assemble things. Likewise, with servicing, when it comes time to service the product, whatever interval that is that you specify, you can send them a video which takes them through the whole process, shows them the tools that they need. If they need a service pack from you, you've got a chance here to show them that you care, to show them that you are the brand that looks after your customers. And they're going to feel good about that because they've taken a chance in buying from you in the first place. And now you're showing them that you do care about them and that you're going to follow through. You've got a chance here to reinforce, what kind of brand you are by making the video in a certain style, like, perhaps it's a little bit more fun, or perhaps it's quite serious, or perhaps it's just the way it's shot and the way it looks. So if it's sort of dark and moody, or if it's bright and light, this all reinforces your brand and what you stand for, and it's a great chance to reinforce that with your customer. So make sure your service and assembly videos are on brand. It will reinforce to the customer that you care about them and it will reinforce who you are as a brand. To make this process even more streamlined, here's a little tip. You could include a QR code either in your instruction manual or perhaps it's on the product itself or it's on the box. When they get the product shipped to them, all they've got to do is get their phone out, scan the QR code, and there they have the assembly video waiting for them. If it's a service video, you could do the same thing. Put the QR code either inside the user manual or on the box or on the product itself. I like the idea of using a QR code. If you've got replaceable parts, you take the part out and you've got the QR code inside there and they scan that and they can reorder the part. If you sell much larger products and you're not going to be sort of shipping them in a box, you could create a series of training videos for your customers as well. It reinforces that you really care about what they're doing and that you're helping them. You're helping them to get started. So when you sign up for a SaaS product or something, a software package online, they'll have a load of onboarding videos that help you get started. The reason is that they want you to use their product because they know that if you use it, you're going to see the benefits and you're going to keep your subscription going. Well, it's the same with the products that you sell. Provide them with all the training that they need, and they're just going to love it. They're just going to be raving about your product or the service that you offer because you're looking after them, you're showing them how to use it properly and get the most from their purchase. If you provide a series of training videos like that, you could also upsell some in-person training. Perhaps there's a higher level of training that could be completed, which would need one of your staff to come in and actually deliver that training to them. So you could give them all the basics in the training video so that they can get started. And then at the end, you could gently say, we also offer this in-person training. And if you'd like to do that, get in touch with us. So there's a chance to sort of upsell other products and services gently within these videos. I mentioned at the beginning that you're going to see some benefits to customer services. Well, it's probably obvious by now, but if your customer services team are getting calls about, how do I assemble this? How does this bit go? How do I service this product? You're going to really cut down on that time by providing these videos in the first place. And I always say to people who are mostly in marketing when they're commissioning these videos with us, get some budget from customer services because they're going to see a huge benefit as well. Perhaps you post these on your website so that it's clear, you have an FAQ section and it's got all of your assembly and product videos. Also, if you put these onto YouTube, then that's going to help with your SEO as well. People are going to be looking for your product. They're going to find the assembly video. They're going to see that you care, that you provide these great instructions, and it's just going to add to their desire to own your product. So make it simple for them, make it frictionless, use those QR codes, make sure that they know where to go immediately to get the help that they need. Make sure the videos are high quality, make sure they reinforce your brand values and show them that you care and that you're getting them started. Each part of the buyer journey is an opportunity to reinforce your brand message, and video works amazingly well for this. You can get some personality in there. Perhaps you've got someone there who can present the video, who's excellent on camera, one of your employees or CEO or whoever it is, or perhaps you bring in a professional presenter to present the video. Either way, make sure it looks nice and sharp, on brand, and at each point along the buyer journey, you can just reinforce the message that you're a great brand to work with and why they would either want to or want to carry on working with you. So I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more and have a look back through the other videos that we've got. We're starting to get going now. We've got a few out there. Please share with anyone that you think might find it useful, and we'll see you next time.